Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel, Tips for Dummies. Yes sir. Alright guys, today we're gonna be talking about how to repair or to make a nasty wall repair into a nice one. Easy and nice. Look how ugly of repairs somebody did over here. That looks nasty guys. Let's just admit it. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys need to do is to get one of these kits at the Harbor Freight Tools. They're pretty cheap, and if you don't want to buy it, you might want to borrow it from somebody. There's different size that you can choose from, and I'm gonna go for the one before the biggest one, and I'm gonna kind of measure to see if it covers the hole, and it does. So this is the one that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna make a nice round cut, a big one, and get rid of that nasty repair that is over there. Also, you're gonna need a piece of sheetrock, and I'm gonna show you why later on, but you're gonna need a piece of sheetrock. Okay guys, so let's get it done. Okay guys, so I got the round cutter in place, and I'm just gonna try to center it so that way we can cover the whole damaged part. And let's get it. Oh, yeah. See that? All right. You see how damaged this thing was. A lot of stuff got in there, and yeah, I don't need to go all the way through, and I'll let you know why. Okay, so this is all I need, and okay, let's continue with the repair. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go with the pencil and go all the way around and mark it, and we're gonna leave about 1.5 inch in each corner. So 1.5, and we're gonna make a square. Make a square. All right, and we're gonna leave, like I said, about 1.5 inch. All right. So now we're gonna cut these. We're gonna cut the square. All right, and you'll see what we're gonna do next. Okay, guys, this is the way you cut the sheetrock. Just make a line. Make a line all the way. Turn it around, and bingo. You cut it. This is how easy you cut the size. Okay, and then you come from this side and cut it, and you got that piece out. We'll do the same thing here. We cut one line, and bingo. All right. Okay, so now we're going to cut that out. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to go down. Yeah, just like this. Cut it without going all the way through. Okay, you see, I didn't go all the way through. Okay, I'm going to make 4 cuts. I'm making 4 cuts like that. And I'm going to proceed by taking the sheetrock out of the paper. Okay, just like that. See that? Okay. I'm going to take it, no 4 corners. I'm just going to leave the paper. And you know where I'm going, right? Alright. Look what we got, man. The circle that is going to go in here. See? Just like that. Okay? Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some paste all the way around. Los...
Primero arreglar ese tubo de ahí para poner el cuadro.
Okay. Alright, pues. And as you can see, I'm putting some paste just a little bit all the way around. Alright.
Dejando los aires apagados.
Now I'm gonna put the magical thing that we just did.
Señor Hugo, el baño del 18 de la luz está tapada.
Okay, so we got it glued, and now we're gonna put some paste all the way in here, and this thing is gonna be like new, guys. So I'm just gonna put the first coat of paste, wait until it dries. I'm gonna put a second coat. Okay, and this is the final result. All we have to do is paint it. Okay. Alright guys, and this is the final result. When it's painted, you can hardly tell that something happened there. And yeah, this is a quick repair and it's strong, and you know, very easy to do. Alright guys, see you on the next one. If you like this video, please bring a thumb up, turn on the bell, and we'll see you in the next video.